Good vibes. Go on, drink up, man.
Oh, fuck, that's hot. Very hot. Bastard.
Go on, drink up. Drink up.
I can't feel my fucking throat.
Yeah, go on, drink up. Good vibes. That is it.
Shall we show him how it's done, Ringo? Shall we show him?
Look, see, this is how it's done. Look.
Oh, you won't be coming near me. No, I know that.
Sue, you know normally they do like a rum shot or a whiskey shot.
Yeah, I know. Very quick, down in one.
Yeah, all down in
done
one.
It before. Done it with Sambuca, done it with tequila, done it with chipperoo, done it with...
I testing up at 3 o'clock,
I've done it with chipperoo. That's a Greek drink.
Ringo, man, I got the road in the love, yeah?
That's homemade stuff.
Love Biggs. Let's work on that cough, Sue.
Have you got Jeanette's phone number?
Good, man. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah, go on, chef.
Big bag, right?
See?
Alright, cool. Say no more then.
Oh, don't swear. I'll shave mine ready. Thank you. Oh yeah, I need one of the rolls as well. Let's get the rolls.
Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. 'Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, so when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision.
Welcome again, people. Live and active with outside people, yeah. I'm Ringo Vision, and you're locked into 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah. And guess what? Things are going already, you know. And alright, despite what's been going on, people, like I'm gonna keep on saying it until it happens, people, yeah. This Saturday, the 7th of December, is gonna be our Christmas dinner, people, yeah, for the local community and the local homeless people, yeah. So please do turn up. If you are local, please do spread the word to those that you know that are in need and those that are homeless people, yeah. Big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that is watching, and thank you very much for all the support and everybody that's been contributing and donating to the GoFundMe to keep us going, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, come in and have a look and let me show you what's happening right now, yeah? So you see, because the pumpkin is boiled to such perfection, can you see that transformation of colour that's slowly taking place with the pumpkin? Because the pumpkin is breaking apart now, everybody, yeah? And then the pumpkin gives us the colour that we're actually looking for today. You see that colour there? So we're breaking it down on the side. See how the pumpkin's changing the colour? That is it, people, yeah, a good vibes. So what I'm gonna do now is start to add some more ingredients into the pot. Yeah, man. Come on, see the pumpkin now, I'm breaking it down. Pumpkin there. It's so soft. Good vibes. Alright. That is it. Yeah. Alright, so a good vibe, everybody. So look, what we're gonna do right now, yeah, we're just gonna add some ginger. Yeah, man, ginger is an essential ingredient going into the pot, people, yeah? You understand? Especially in this time of cold weather, you need your ginger. Your ginger is important, everybody, yeah? So yeah, man, we've got ginger in there. We've got garlic inside the pot as well. We've got peppers. So we got our famous yeah. Alright, look. Adam, come in, look.
Yeah.
These are specially going in for you.
Yeah, man.
They have you, mate.
Yeah.
There's 2 in there already.
Yeah, that's all good.
Drop another 2 in there.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
All good.
Look, Adam is a pepper man here. We've got a little pepper challenge going on today, yeah?
I had that pepper yesterday.
Did that?
You died.
I had 4 of them, bro.
One pepper and straight fire.
Now look, Adam had 4.
I know,
Four.
I see that. I said to him the other day, I see him on YouTube still.
Yeah.
One after the other, man.
So yes, everybody, so the 7th of December, this Saturday, everybody, yeah? We've got the Christmas dinner, yeah? So look out for the Christmas dinner. So look what I'm gonna do right now, yeah? So I'm gonna peel up some yam, you understand? Some white yam, look at that. We've got some yam in the pot, but we're putting some more yam in the pot. You understand, everybody, yeah? Because this is like the filler today. Like, that's gonna actually fill up the people. Them, you understand? The yam. So our good vibes. So the yam's got a very tough skin, everybody, yeah? So just remember that about the yam. The yam's one of them ones there that's got a very, very hard skin. Just give it a rinse off there. So this one grow with the skin underneath. Look, you've got a piece of skin there. It's growing the way the yam grow, you know. Right, a good vibe. If we just put some yam in the pot. A good vibe.
Straight away in the mouth, mate. Fresh as fuck. Got any trouble edge though, I don't know if I'm going to handle this. They fucking are.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, no,
You'll be alright, you have to do it. I've got all the culture.
So now we've got all our solids into the pot, everybody, yeah? So a good vibe. We've got the yam in the pot, we've got the sweet potato in the pot. So the last ingredients that we're gonna kind of like put in the pot here, we've got like 2 more potatoes that we're gonna peel and put in the pot, people, yeah. And then the rest of the ingredients just gonna be some thyme, you understand? And then the okra, people, yeah. A good vibe. Look up yourself. You're outside. Good vibes.
What you're doing here, by the way, I've seen you on my mates told me about you.
So yeah, put me around
Well done to you.
Thank you. We've got a Christmas dinner on Saturday, you know.
Christmas dinner on Saturday.
Yeah, for the homeless.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep it in one pot. So if you can pass by, just come and check it out.
Yeah, okay. On Saturday.
Yeah.
At what sort of times?
From like 10 in the morning.
Oh, 10 hours. Okay.
Alright, so look at that. You see that pumpkin there? See that piece of pumpkin there? So you just want to break that pumpkin down, and this is what's giving the colour. Pumpkin, you see the transformation, people, yeah? What the pumpkin does.
usually got the paint shop, isn't it?
Yo, Ringo, what is this one? What vegetable is this?
Potato.
Potato, red potato.
Huh? Red potato. Like a carrot peel, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not about the sharpness, it's about how you use it.
Yeah, literally, man. It's just like a little. You have to be delicate, innit?
Yeah.
Like literally, to just strip. Because all I'm doing is just stripping the first little layer off.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I'm doing it, you know.
Quick little rinse off. Good vibes. Alright. This gas is finished. Alright, so this is the process, everyone, yeah? Just putting in a new canister. On the go again. Soup. We've got yam, we've got sweet potato, we've got potato in there, garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion. You understand? Some Scotch bonnet peppers in there for Adam. And we've got red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. You get me? All the nice things them in there, you know? Yeah, man, we're just gonna make it just go and boil down right now for a little bit longer. And then what we're gonna do next year is just add some okra. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we're almost at that completion. We've got, it's so rich and so wealthy, it's overflowing, people. You understand? Good vibes. Yeah, man, that is it.
But them chilies, I reckon you should have one.
Yeah. I'm gonna have one just for you.
Yeah?
I'll do one.
We're all gonna have a chili, people. We're all gonna have a chili today. Yeah? There's enough chili for the man them. We're all having a chili, people, yeah? Our good vibes. You see where we reach right now? We reach a point right now, people, yeah? Wow. The thing on now, man. That is it, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, the soup just a bubble up, people, yeah? So we're almost gonna be sharing up in about 5-10 minutes. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, thank you very much for today. Come and have a look, come in, Ronnie, and have a look. So we've come to a completion today. So in the pot, we've got the garlic, we've got the ginger, thyme, scallion. Yeah, man, all the nice ingredients. So we're not even gonna wait no longer. We're just gonna start serving up right now. You understand, people, yeah? So we've got some people that's in the queue right now that's just waiting for their meals. Gentlemen, where are you from?
I live around here, but you mean originally?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I live up the road, man. I just come Grove.
Okay, so you just stopped by and you saw the soup and...
Yeah, but I also see you on YouTube, innit?
Okay.
I also see your channel on YouTube, so like, I was like, you probably recorded this, let me just ask, innit?
Okay, to just try, yeah? Yeah, man, so it's good. Try the thing and give a verdict on camera and let everybody know.
You want to taste it now, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you very much, yeah?
Oh man, it's hot, man.
Very hot.
You're out of a spoon instead, no?
No, we ran out of spoons, so we have to just fork it. Just put it to your mouth and it's soup. Just sip it.
Yeah, but it's proper hot. Oh man, that's banging.
Huh?
That's banging.
You sure?
Yeah, that's nice.
You sure you're not just saying that for the camera?
No, I swear down, it's nice, man.
Cheers. Yes, a good vibe. So we're outside, so slowly, as you can see that, yeah man, the pot's coming down to a level already, quickly. Yeah man.
Only a little bit for me, please, because I've already had some soup.
Oh, thanks, Ringo, yeah? Thank you very much.
One of my
You're welcome, man.
lovely-
Yeah.
3 chilies, yeah?
Huh?
One for me, one for you, one for them.
Oh, the 3 chili challenge.
Alright, so what we've reached now, yeah, we reached the 3 chili challenge. Boop.
No, we got one for you, one for me, and one for me.
You're not gonna have 3.
I've had 4 already, look, see? So you gotta have one each, come on.
I forgot about that still.
One for you and one for my man.
I forgot.
Yeah, see?
Alright, cool. Say no more then.
Oh, don't swear.
I've shaved mine ready, thank you. Oh yeah, I need one of the rolls as well. Let's get the rolls.
I'm gonna hand it out in a second.
Yeah. Make sure it's good for them. I know this one's good.
I never see you.
Yeah, the quiet birthday.
I remember the picture.
Gotta have a bit of breakfast.
It's a rock concert, man.
Cheers, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Tony.
You want to be on camera? You want to be on camera? No problem.
Not Ringo, but I do understand because I know Ringo does.
Hold it in the container. And some tissue as well.
That's all right. Much appreciated.
There you go.
By the way, I can see your that is the thing. Much appreciated.
No, good bag. Cheers, man. You're welcome. Yeah, man, you're good, man. Thank you.
Real good, Ringo.
Yeah, man, I good vibes.
Smells great, man. As usual.
Some good bits of yam in there for you, Lucky.
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah.
Stuffing you up, mate.
Yeah, bro.
There's some this here as well.
Confluence of Adam. Thank you.
So this is the best. This is the best. This is the best part. What do you need a lighter for?
Huh?
What do you need a lighter for? Huh?
Make a bag.
Make a bag.
Yeah, roll a cigarette, Ringo.
Hey Sue, glasses suit you, you know.
I only wear them.
You look very sophisticated in them glasses there.
Oh, thank you.
You know, like some people wear glasses and they're a bit nerdy.
It was my birthday yesterday.
What?
Yeah.
Everyone, can you look? Stop for a minute, Sue. Stop. Everyone, can you just wish Sue happy birthday? And then Sue, can you tell everyone here that you've got a place now?
Yeah.
But things are still a little bit rough. But tell them that you've got a place.
Yeah, I've got a place now. I'm happy. I'm smiling all the time.
Yeah.
So I'm having a good time at the moment.
That's it.
So thank you everybody.
That's been supporting.
Yeah, for supporting us and everything.
And then we've got our Christmas dinner on Saturday, the 7th of December.
Yeah.
So can you tell everyone to be there, Sue?
Yeah. Everyone, you've got to be there at Ringo's Christmas dinner on Saturday.
Yeah?
At what time does it start?
Start at 10 o'clock, Sue.
10 o'clock in the morning, all right?
That is it, people,
From
yeah?
10 o'clock, be there. Be there or be square.
That is it. Adam, how you getting on?
Good food, man.
Good stuff, yeah? Good stuff. Good
All
stuff.
good.
So a good vibe. So yeah, man, you can actually turn off the pot for a little while, you know, because woo, some steam is coming out of that. You understand? All right. So basically, yeah, what's actually happening right now? We served out quite one of the rolls, yeah. Of course you can. Want some more soup in that?
No, more right side. Lovely.
Yeah. All right. Nice one. Yeah. So we've got some rolls as well here, people, as well, to go with the soup. You understand? We've got some hard-boiled bread there as well to go with the soup. So a good vibe. So yeah, man, we're just going to be out here for a little while. And we're just going to be just handing out the soup, people, yeah? That is it. Big up yourself. Thank you to each and every one of you that has been contributing to the GoFundMe. You understand? We've actually more than halfway there, everybody, yeah? And it just seems like we're just going to be on this journey for a very long time, and accomplishing this 1 million is looking very, very, very much achievable, people, yeah? You understand? With the help of you guys. You guys have been incredibly amazing. You understand? With your support. You understand? I've been reading all your comments, even though I reply one love, good vibes, one love, good vibes, big up. But you understand there's so much comments, and I'll be there for days and days and days. But I do appreciate each and every one of you. Keep sending in your comments. You understand? Keep sending in your opinions. You understand, people, yeah? Look, people are just here right now, and they're just gathered around and they're just eating their food. You understand? And it is actually a good thing. A good thing that has happened over the last 6 months. We've fed over 10,000 people in the last 6 months, people, yeah? That's a very, very good achievement. And we've done that by just using this pot. Yes, we've cooked in various different places sometimes and done food in other places on other pots, but the majority of the cooking has happened on a pot from a shopping trolley. You understand? The makeshift kitchen that allows me to move on the go. You understand? Just like if you was back home, like myself, in Jamaica. I grew up with a Jamaican handcart, so you must understand moving around back then as a street vendor, or even as a child growing up, we would have had something like this, but a wooden version. You understand, people? So here in the UK, you understand, the makeshift kitchen actually works. A good vibe. Big up yourself. We've got a seagull there. I wonder if that seagull's waiting for dinner, everyone. Say that again. We ain't got no dumplings, but we've got yam, we've got sweet potato, we've got all the good stuff in there. You want dumplings? I think on Saturday when you come to the Christmas dinner, you might get some dumplings.
Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you.
Should I dish you out?
Give me a
Good vibes.
and I'll see you later.
I like to do
Have you got Jeanette's phone number? She's been driving around for 2 weeks with our codes in the back of her car.
You're in the bed, bro? Ringo? Yeah. Nice to meet you, Claire, yeah? Take care, yeah? Big up, yeah?
my
Soup, you remember?
sugar honey ice cream.
Yeah? Yes, Ronnie, we're just outside with the soup right now, serving up some soup. Use some tissue.
What's that, bread?
Yeah, you want bread as well? Now hold it good.
So I was looking at the bread. I was looking at the bread.
You go?
Alright, brother.
This way.
Coming through.
Huh? Yeah, wait. Yeah, okay, yeah, wait. Soup?
Yeah, yeah. I don't need to make it. I don't know about
Good, man. Wow. That's amazing.
Oh, inside. In soup inside. Soup.
Very nice.
Yeah, chef.
Big bag. Vegetable soup, you know?
Love it, man.
Yeah.
You want to be on camera?
You're not working at the fish shop again.
Yeah, you know me, innit?
The fish shop, man.
Of course, bro. You good, yeah? Yes, bro.
One for you, one for you.
Yeah, man.
That's fine. Oh, I'm this. A good vibe, yeah? Bread. Yeah, man, bread. Bless you. Respect, yeah? Yeah, come play with them. Is everybody there? Huh? There. No, it's there.
See, man, I can't feel like that.
Yeah.
You want a bigger fat dog. I did that day, man.
A good vibes. Super duper. Yes.
Can you have a little bit more? Maybe after you give me a little bit for the boss.
Because some people haven't come to eat yet. So
Hello.
if you wait.
I'll wait for you.
You wait, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll
yeah, no
wait.
problem. You wait, yeah? That's good. Okay. So if some people you want to wait.
Some boy saying, I'm gonna go guys are gonna cook for them people there.
True, man. True.
And them not like, I'm cooking here. Cause look at them eat. Some little blood class. So what them call it mix up like, what them call it again?
Chicken and chips and them.
No man, some vegetable,
That cough there don't sound too good. You seem like you need some hot soup.
I'm at this cough forever. Yeah.
I think continue to drink the medicine, and I'm gonna put something in the medicine for you, for the cough.
All right.
Yeah, good vibes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to put something in the medicine extra for Sue. For just special ingredients. Can I make it for you now? I got it today.
All right.
Yeah? Good vibes.
Not coughing all the time. It's just doing it. You got my light. Oh, you soothing bastard.
1 second, Sue. Just chill out. Come, Adam.
Pepper.
I know.
Sue, you know normally they do like a rum shot or a whiskey shot.
Yeah, I know. Very quick, down in one.
Yeah, all down in
done
one.
It before. Done it with Zambuca, done it with tequila, done it with chipperoo, done it with...
I high testing up the 3 o'clock,
I've done it with chipperoo. That's a Greek drink.
Ringo, man, I got road in a love, yeah?
That's homemade stuff.
Love Bigs. Let's work on that cough, Sue. Good vibes. Go on, drink up, man.
Oh, fuck, that's hot. Very hot. Bastard.
Drink up.
I can't feel my fucking throat.
Yeah, go and drink up. Good vibes. That is it.
Shall we show him how it's done, Ringo? Shall we show him how it's done?
Yeah.
Ah.
Look, see this is how it's done, look.
Oh, you won't be coming near me tonight. I know that.
That's it. Get it all down, get it all down, girl.
I can't fucking talk now. Whoa.
Look, a good vibes, a good vibes, a good vibes.
Not coughing all the time. It's just you got my light all you choosing bastards.
1 second, Sue, just chill out. Come, Adam.
Pepper. Pepper.
I know what you've got.
Sue, you know normally they do like a rum shot or a whiskey shot.
Yeah, I know. Very quick, down in one.
Yeah, all down in
done
one.
It before. Done it with Zambuca, done it with tequila, done it with chipperoo, done it with...
I testing up at 3 o'clock,
I've done it with chipperoo. That's a Greek drink.
Ringo, man, I got through it in a love, yeah?
That's homemade stuff.
Love Biggs. Let's work on that cough, Sue. Good vibes. Go on, drink up, man.
Oh, fuck, that's hot. Very hot. Bastard.
Drink up.
I can't feel my fucking throat.
Yeah, go on, drink up. Good vibes. That is it.
Shall we show him how it's done, Ringo? Shall we show him how it's done?
Yeah.
Ah.
Look, see this is how it's done, look.
Oh, you won't be coming near me tonight. I know that.
That's it. Get it all down, get it all down, girl.
I can't fucking talk now. Whoa.
Look, a good vibes, a good vibes, a good vibes.
What about cover on your face?
Sue, out of 10.
No.
Out of 10.
That's the first time I've ever had Scotch bonnet.
Out of 10.
Oh my God. I am really warm now and I think my chest has just been burnt away, so I think my cough's gone.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good vibe. You see that, people? Yeah. Quick little remedy. That is it. Adam just had one, but he's going red. That is it.
Certainly going red.
You steamed up without red you off.
So Sue's gone a bit red, people, yeah, because like the Scotch bonnet's really kicked in. Yeah, it's working.
See what, my arm's built clear.
Look, I'm also going to do a little Scotch bonnet challenge myself as well, people, yeah, so good vibes. Everyone's done it. My turn.
Has he got it? Close.
Oh, it certainly loosens it. Oh.
Yeah, it does.
I'm leaving it to the end, Adam.
Oh, yeah. He's left it. He's left it.
Ringo's having a Scotch bonnet as well.
Can he hack it?
Of course he can.
No problem. Bit of smoke come out there.
Back of the throat.
He's got him.
What's happening, gangster? My guy.
Well,
you know you're doing a very good thing in the community. I'll have to praise you, man. Keep up the good work. May God bless you, man. And carry on looking after the people.
Let me give you a seat.
Yeah, man. Give me a boss of cup now. Yeah.
Hey, people, I'll get back to you, yeah? I'm going to take this one in. Two?
Yeah, man. No, one. We'll share it together, man. Sharing is caring. That is it. All right. How you been? You been all right, though?
No, I've been good.
Yeah, what happened to Q, innit?
The shop got shut down, You're good.
Yeah, no, I'm all right. Bless. Thank you, man. See, I just want to come say hello to you, man.
No, I love my family.
But real, recognise real. Keep up the good work, man.
Yeah.
And God will bless you. Believe me.
Yeah, good vibe. I've got a seed stuck in my tooth. But yeah, that was good, Adam. That was some good stuff.
Oh, yeah, the heat getting you?
Yeah, it's more in the back of the tonsils and the back of the tongue.
Yeah.
Where do you get the heat?
In my stomach, mate.
Your stomach?
Yeah, but don't let me till it get...
Nothing's in my stomach yet. The heat for me is all in the mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing in the stomach yet.
Wow. I don't get it in my mouth, I get the heat in my stomach.
I think maybe if I had maybe 2 more, it'll start traveling down. But at the moment, it's just the tingles on the tongue, like literally.
Got to the back of your tonsils.
Good vibes made me burp there.
Oh.
Brought up some gas. So the Scotch bonnet pepper actually brings up some gas as well, people. Yeah, a good vibe. That is.
Did you actually stop?
Yeah?
Oh, put in that can to me. What the can here? Alright.
Hot, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
So much you want to mash up me in idea?
Yes, manage, man. That's why you're not paper, man.
To have chicken and teeth. That's it.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, that means the money. Tell them what
Eh?
yeah, man, you're chopping rice in there, man.
The boy there in there, true?
The kick.
So this hour? This hour?
Eh?
This hour? How are you?
I veg, man. Chickpeas and...
Curry?
Yeah. Chickpea and sweet potato and everything.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm cold. I said, and I said,
Sue, we finished today, no?
huh?
We finished today, come to a completion.
Yeah.
There's maybe like a little cup, some juice. Someone can come and get some juice. Some juice.
He's not.
That is it, people, yeah? Are good vibes.
He's had a few.
Yes, everybody, so we complete the mission today. So we're going to go and get some water from the fishmongers, quality fishmongers here in Kirby. Well, they kind of support, man, you know, with the water system, the water structure. You understand? A good vibes today, people, yeah? We're just there for Curry Street Market, in a Kirby. You understand? One of the oldest market this market here is as well, no, people, yeah? One of the oldest markets in the whole of UK. Boom, bam, bam. My man's gonna chat bare rubbish when I come in, but I'm still gonna go inside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get the response. Let's get the response. Yes, big man, I come to mess up the shop today. Huh? Yeah. You're turning off the hot water. You're just giving me cold water. Can I get some of this water?
Make sure don't wash in the same place like yesterday.
Where's my water?
You need to come a little bit color. Okay, the boss, I don't want to say something.
Alright, no problem.
Please, yeah?
Alright. Big man didn't give me no problem. He just let me just collect some water, so I'm gonna follow his instruction. He said wash around the corner, so I'm gonna wash around the corner, people, yeah? A good vibe. Got water in my pots now. Warm water as well. So it's a good vibe because it's cold outside and I get some warm water to wash up with. You can't get better than that at the end of the day, people, yeah? When it's time to clean up and hot water, yeah, I get to wash up the things and wood. Understand? Make everything work more swiftly and more calmly. That is it. A good vibe. So we're right back at the spot right now. Washing time. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so just a little warming.
Yes, Ringo. Big up Ringo Vision. No one forget, 7th of December, be here at 10 o'clock, barbecue, everything, Christmas dinner, good vibes. It's all gonna be love.
The fire's already, the fire's already lit. Sue's already here.
We're all here.
Lucky's here.
You're not lucky.
He is lucky.
Good vibes, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, we're just gonna hold a little energy right now. We've been out all day cooking, and then the last part of the day, we're just there around the fire, you get me? This is where we're gonna be actually having the Christmas dinner. The shopping trolleys are there, just, you get me, just waiting. Good vibes.